In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for emails with attachments only in Gmail. If you've ever tried to find a specific file someone emailed you, but couldn't remember the subject or who sent it, this tip is going to save you a lot of time. Gmail has a powerful search feature built in, and with just a simple search command, you can quickly filter your inbox so it only shows emails that contain attachments. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. At the very top of the page, you'll see the search bar that runs across the screen. This is where you normally type things like a contact's name, a subject, or a keyword. We're going to use this same search bar, but with a special search operator. Click once inside the search bar to place your cursor there. Now, instead of typing regular words, you're going to type a specific command that tells Gmail exactly what you're looking for. Type the phrase has attachment. Make sure there are no spaces in the word attachment, and that the word has is followed by a colon. It should look like one continuous instruction. This command tells Gmail to only show emails that include at least one attachment. As soon as you run this search, your results will be limited to emails that contain files such as documents, images, PDFs, and more. If you want to narrow it down even further to a particular type of file, you can add another part to the command. After has attachment, type a space and then type file, followed by the file extension you're looking for. For example, you could type file PDF to find only PDF attachments, or file JPG to find image files. It would look like this: has attachment file PDF. Once you've typed your search command, press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will refresh and display only the messages that match what you requested. You can scroll through these results and quickly spot the email and attachment you need. You can also combine this method with regular keywords, like a person's name or a project title, to refine your search even more. For example, you might type has attachment file to PDF followed by a client's name. That's all you need to do. By using has attachment and the file command in the search bar, you can efficiently find exactly the emails that contain the attachments you care about without digging through your entire inbox.